this one up a bit. This used to be a Gen 5 23 on a Gen 3 frame. Put a 45 frame on there now. Not going to polish this one, leave this in black. The polish is too much to maintain. So, same gun as the 23 in the early videos. Excuse my runny nose. Cross armory, magwell, some eBay mag base plates, let's say. Got what I got them from, something tech, clearly from China or somewhere. They're pretty good. The aluminum, just wanted something I could shine up. Not finished with the barrel yet. Just started with the barrel. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that shiny, polished, or get an aftermarket. I'm working on that 23 that used to be on here. I actually sent it out to Boogeyman Customs. Get it cut and colored. That's coming up soon. Should be in next week. Getting it back to this Glock 45 Gen 3 on whatever you want to call it. Look at that trigger again. Remember that trigger on the 23? If you watched that video. Overwatch. I heard Johnny Glocks are pretty good. Tactical platoon, very good. Stick what works for me. I might have to try another trigger one day just to switch it up. But right now, I love them Overwatches. Pretty much anything basic. Marigold sights I polished. That's it.